Good morning, folks. Lone Wolf here again, out on a lovely another sunny day. Right, we're off on errands today. I'm popping to the Canuck Superbike Centre, the local Suzuki dealers, who kindly arranged to adjust my chain. I actually bought a 36mm socket to under the back wheel, but boy oh boy, it was so tight I couldn't budge it, and I was panicking in case I managed to round the nut off, because you know what it's like, don't you, when you got a big bar on there, one slip and it's ripped the end off. So I contacted them, and they politely said, well, just drop by and it'll take us 10 minutes and we'll do it for you. So that's where I'm off to. And then once that's done, I should be going over to Birmingham to a place, I think it's called Gadget Fix or something like that. And as you know, I've had issues with my 360 camera with the lens. Well, they're going to have a look at it for me. They don't guarantee they're going to fix it, but they're going to have a go. So that's the plan for the day. It's warm again. And there's a bumload of traffic. So we'll see how we go, shall we? Yeah. Hopefully it'll be a successful day, and I'm sure I'll have to leave the camera with these people, but that's fine. I took it out on Sunday, and it was just awful. It weren't worth recording. But in saying that, I did a run to a place called Nanty Moch the other week, and when I come to play it all back, the audio was awful. The pictures were brilliant, but the audio was terrible. So I can only assume I may well have had an issue with my SD card. So I've actually ordered a couple of SD cards. I've had them a while. They don't last forever, do they? And we'll see if that cures a problem. Today I got some original cards, and it may be that I changed them for two different ones. To two different type. But today I got two, I think the Lexmark gold cards. So we'll see how they do. I say it's only short vlog. My place to Canucks, 20 plus minutes on the bike. I'll go the long way around because I don't want to get through the to get down the motorway and then get off and go through the bad roads. It's naff. I should have put some fuel in at some point. The Canucks is a Superbike Centre, Canucks, and it's a small deal. They're a massive place. As a place, to be fair, I've never dealt with, because I've never had a Suzuki, obviously, and I've always ended up being BMW, man. But I have to be honest, when I found the guy yesterday, he was more than helpful. I can kind of imagine saying the same to BMW dealer, can you? I mean, I know you wouldn't do it on the GS because it's shaft drive, but I can almost say to him, you know, it'll just be chain on my 900 XR because I can't get the the nut off or something. And that's how you bring it in. You got to wait a fortnight, they charge you 50 quid. I might be being a bit derogatory there to BMW, but to be fair, mate, I've just seen a bill off one of the lads I ride with for some work he's done, and it was extortionate. Just for a service, it was extortionate. Let's put it this way, if it had been me, I'd have been saying put the bike in the showroom and sell it. Right, we're here. Just round this bend here, there you can see them. There's probably what's on the front. So we're here, Chase Superbike Centre, Suzuki dealers. See how we get on, shall we? Just a quick look inside Superbike Centre, Chase Superbike Centre. Selection of bikes in. Got a GX, like I'd nearly bought that. It's the green one. In the dark green, nice. And the 125. That's very second-hand bikes. Honda. I did tour with one of these and all at one time. GT. I did look at one of them as well. The V-Strom DE off-road. Small bikes there, but I think that's to do with the training school next door. V-Strom. An 8R out there. Yeah. Chase Superbike Centre, Cannock. Well worth a visit. Okay folks, so popped in the Chase Superbike Centre and he's done it for me, my chain, bless him. Nice chap. Put a bit of video on the shop and stuff. They're going to do my service when it's due. I think it's a long walk, going to say bye for now. Don't forget, tick, like, subscribe. Keep your channel growing. I'm going to get me a cold drink and get out these clothes. So till the next time, it's Lone Wolf saying bye for now, and don't forget, just you be careful out there. Lone Wolf, bye for now.